Students, today we are going to start with a new topic, subject and predicate number 6. It is on page number 18. Everybody know what is now a sentence. A sentence has two parts. A complete sentence contains two parts, a subject and a predicate. A subject tells us about what and whom the sentence is about. It is also called as a naming part of the sentence. Naming part contains the noun or noun phrase. All the words in the subject are together called as complete subject. जो words हमें subject की जगह मिलते हैं वो उनका पूरे part को एक complete subject part कहा जाता है, complete subject. So second part it is there as predicate. The other part of the subject, that is telling part, also called as predicate. The predicate tells something about the subject. All the words in the predicate are together called the complete predicate. यानी क्या कि अभी आपका एक सेंटेंस होता है, उसमें दो पार्ट है. एक पार्ट होता है सब्जेक्ट और दूसरा पार्ट है प्रेडिकेट. तो हम अभी कुछ सेंटेंस के जरिए ये हमको ज्यादा क्लियर समझ में आएगा कौन से पार्ट को सब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं और कौन से पार्ट को प्रेडिकेट कहा जाता है. तो विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द गिवन सेंटेंस. Rohan, the little cat, the giraffe. These words name a person, thing or animal. They form the subject of the sentence. अभी ये क्या हो गया, आपका सब्जेक्ट पार्ट हो गया. कौन, जो हमें सेंटेंस के आमतौर पे पहली सेंटेंस जब फॉर्म होता है उसका पहला पार्ट जो होता है वो हम लोग सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं और उसके बारे में जो इंफॉर्मेशन देता है जो वर्ड्स उसे कहते हैं प्रेडिकेट. तो लुक एट दिस सेंटेंस. Goes to Sarvodaya school, are very pretty, has a long neck. This word tell us something about a person, thing or animal. They form the predicate of the sentence. These words are forming the predicate. पर किसका predicate है वो subject का. और subject में क्या क्या होता है, person, thing और a animal. उसके बारे में हमें subject में बताया जाता है और उसकी information हमें predicate में दी जाती है. तो ये सेंटेंस कब कंप्लीट बनता है, देखिए अभी नीचे दिया है. रोहन गोज टू सर्वोदय स्कूल. हु गोज टू स्कूल, रोहन. तो रोहन क्या है, सब्जेक्ट है. गोज टू सर्वोदय स्कूल, ये पूरे वर्ड्स जो है वो क्या है, प्रेडिकेट है. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, द लिटिल कैप्स आर वेरी प्रीटी. क्या प्रीटी है, द लिटिल कैप्स. तो ये क्या हो गया, सब्जेक्ट. आर वेरी प्रीटी एज अ प्रेडिकेट. द जिराफ हैज अ लॉन्ग नेक. द जिराफ, giraffe is a subject, has a long neck is a predicate. So I think you have understood up to here. So moving towards the exercise, see A, match the column and rewrite the complete sentences. So a column is given predicate and subject, so you have to just match it. So the first sentence, the little dog, it will match to E, where it tell when it saw a juicy bone. Second, my grandfather tells us very interesting stories. Third, 3 number, my school bus has many window. Rohan, you can match him with woke up in the middle of the night. I always say a prayer before my meals. तो हमने देखा सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट, it is how we have joined and make them a complete sentence. So now moving towards the page number 19, exercise B. Circle the subject and underline the predicate. Now in the sentences we have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. See, most probably we know that the subject is the first part of the sentence, but it is not happening in all cases. So sometimes the subject is in the middle or at the end of the sentence. But in this class we are going to see only the subject in the first part of the sentences. In the other, if you are going to the upper class, then you will have that type of examples. So what are given in the examples on our book in page number 19, we are going to see that. Number 1, Mahatma Gandhi was born in Gujarat. So subject part is Mahatma Gandhi. Where he was born is a predicate. Born in Gujarat is a predicate. Number 2, the fire burns brightly. So the subject part is what burns brightly, that is fire. The fire is a subject and burns brightly is a predicate. So you have to circle the fire and underline burns brightly. In the same way, third, we change our clothes before going to bed. Who change? We. We is a subject. So you have to just circle we and remaining you have to underline that as a predicate. Fourth, London is the capital of England. Which is the capital? London. So the word London is a subject. So circle that and remaining you have to underline. The same way we have to complete it up to 10. 1 to 10 numbers. The sentence are given. So you have to just see. I will give you that photo snap for that. So you can understand it more easily. So again we are going to move towards exercise C. Write suitable predicate for this subjects. Now only we have given subjects and we have to fill up this with the proper predicate. 1. The spider dash. So the spider is a subject and we will have to write the predicate for the spider. Spider, so we have to write the predicate was spinning a web. So number 2, Ravi and his mother. This is a subject. What you have to write predicate? Went to the market. So when we read this sentence full, we can understand the meaning with subject and predicate. So number 3, the telephone in my parents' room is ringing loudly. बहुत जोर से बज रहा है. जो पेरेंट्स के रूम में ये है टेलीफोन, वो बहुत जोर से आवाज सुनाई दे रही है. Is ringing loudly. 4. A superman rescued the boy from the fire. Superman is subject और उसने एक बच्चे को फायर से बचाया. रेस्क्यू यानी बचाना, निकाल के लेना. That is the meaning and this is a predicate. In the same way we are going to complete it from 1 to example number 10. Okay. So moving towards page number 20. Exercise number D. Write suitable subject for this predicate. Now a subject we have to write and predicate is given over here. So number 1, dash stung the poor travelers. Dash stung bees. Bees stung the poor traveler. Number 2, dash found a little boy crying under a tree. Who found? The tourist. टूरिस्ट लोगों को एक बच्चा झाड़ के नीचे रोते हुए दिखाई दिया. Third one, dash is very intelligent animal. So who is intelligent animal? We have to write chimpanzees. Or there are many more, but we have to write one of them, that is chimpanzee. Or dolphin is also an intelligent animal, but here we are mentioning chimpanzee. So in this way, we have to again complete it with suitable subject to the given predicate. So this way you have to complete your exercise, children, and write it carefully and try to understand. Thank you.